Good day mga kahilot. For today's video, we have another therapy session naman. Okay, ginag-bleed na to and then repetitive tissues naman. Very smooth lang ito. Gina-relax na to ya. Okay, good tissues. Very smooth lang. Not so tight, not so long pag-hatag pressure. It's a very effective way para ma-release ang pain sa imong left side or back. And then next, go to the massage bed. Cupping therapy. This is the best way, the best method to release the strain in the pain sa itong mga muscle. Most especially itong sports or physical activity.
Basta
It's
ito.
very recommended.
Balik.
That's all. Good day, Coach Ian. He's here, and I'm out. God bless.